Hello pharma aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. In this short video, we are going to discuss regarding the classification of anti-cancer drugs in that alkylating agents, the classification of alkylating agents as a anti-cancer drugs. The name itself indicating these are the anti-cancer drugs acts by causing alkylation of the DNA strands and by that negatively affect the cancer cell division and suppress the DNA synthesis of the cancer cell and kills the cancer cells. So here alkylating agents, there are many subclassification under alkylating agents with the trick partner. So P means platinum compounds, A means alkyl sulfonate, T means triazine, N means nitrogen mustard, again N means nitrosourea, again A is aziridine. Partner is a trick to remember alkylating agent subclassification. The platinum compound trick is, so there are mainly three major drugs under platinum compounds. The trick is cock, like cisplatin, oxaliplatin, carboplatin. Alkyl sulfonate example busulfan. Triazine trick is TDP, Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh, like temozolomide, dacarbazine, procarbazine. And nitrogen mustards like CMCM, like cyclophosphamide, melphalan, chlorambucil, meclorethamine. Nitroureas like the trick Klebs means C carmustine, L lomustine, E estramustin, B bendamustin, S streptozocin. Next, Egeridin, the example is thiotepa. So all these are comes under the alkylating agents of anti-cancer drugs, and these are also known as radiomimetic drugs. So the alkylating agents action is similar to the radiotherapy in the cancer. That's why these drugs are also known as radiomimetic agents. And these drugs are mainly action by alkylation of the pyrimidine or purine basis of the DNA as well as RNA. But mostly these alkylating agents as a anti-cancer drugs effect on the DNA synthesis. So these drugs causes alkylation of the pyrimidine basis in the DNA strands, and when this happen, the DNA strands will be destructed. The DNA strands will be breakdown. So these alkylating agents causes intercalation of the DNA strands, intercalation as well as intracalation. So within the DNA strand, they break down the purine pyrimidine based strands, and in between the two DNA strands also they break down the DNA strand. So these drugs causes intercalation, breakdown of the DNA strands of the cancer cell and inhibit nothing but kill the cancer cell. So these are the different subclassification of alkylating agents with the tricks as well as interesting mnemonics. So you can easily remember all these drugs. And apart from this, all alkylating agents, platinum compounds. So remaining alkyl sulfonate, triazine, nitrogen mustard, nitrosourea, aziridine having same mechanism, but platinum compounds are having, they form a platinum complex. They form a platinum complex. That platinum complex will bind with the cancer cell and inhibit the DNA of the cancer cell. The only difference, these platinum compounds form a platinum complex, and remaining all causes alkylation directly. Alkylation directly. And this is simply regarding the alkylating agents with the tricks and mnemonics. So like this interesting videos, so subscribe to GDC English classes and follow the GDC English classes for basic as well as concept oriented. Okay, thank you.